With Zep's Parts Washers, we project an impressive 87% decrease in annual service department expenses. The protection against rust and the advanced features like triple filtration don't just clean more effectively, they prolong the life of the tools and reduce maintenance overheads. Zep Parts Washers provide a holistic solution that surpasses the traditional cleaning and maintenance methods with cost savings. This allows for enhanced cleaning capabilities with reduced environmental impact and functional reliability. Our parts washer systems are a wise and profitable solution for any operation looking to optimize its service department's performance and budget. Experience the difference today and transition to a Zep Parts Washer System, where cleanliness meets savings and sustainability. Talk to your Zep representative today or visit our website to learn more.